take what's yours. The battle may be hard, but we gotta try. Make it to the end, gotta reach the goal. And I'm not slowing down, I'm reaching for the skies. You know we a team, always got your back. So we'll never let the evil take the lead. Get your battle gear, it's time to go to work. Join the resistance and you're guaranteed to win. So what? Never give up, never back down. Come at me raw, I'll lay the smack down. Going full speed, right through my enemies. You know I'm ready for this war ahead of me. Yo, we'll take them down. And I'm never ever ever gonna let them get away. We'll take them down. Cause we're fighting any weather to defeat the enemies. We'll take them down. You see it doesn't even matter cause I know we'll save the day. Never see us coming, we will win this fight. When we break it down in Sunset Heights. Never give up, never back down. Come at me wrong, I'll lay the smack down. Going full speed, right through my enemies. You know I'm ready for the war ahead of me. Never give up, never back down. Come at me wrong, I'll lay the smack down. Going full speed, right through my enemies. You know I'm ready for the war ahead of me.
Oh, my head. Huh? Oh, you're finally awake.
It might.
Huh? What happened? Evie, are you alright?
Wait.
I guess I'll take that as a yes.
Wait.
Yep, you're evil. And I don't like that. No, I'm sorry if I was being mean to you. It's alright, I forgive you. But you do need a rest. Why? Well, from all the finding out we did, I accidentally broke one of your bones.
Wait.
I'm sorry, Evie. I didn't mean to. It's just that I got angry.
Wait.
Whatever. Well, it's alright for now, Tails. You're not gonna kill me, are you? No, I'm not. Whew, that's a relief. But I will be seeing the others. But we are gonna find some crystals starting, I guess tomorrow. Alright. You just rest up, alright? Go on, Evie.
Wait.
Where you going, Evie?
Wait.
No, you found my headband?
Wait.
Thanks, Evie.
Wait.
I'll see you later. You go on and play with the rest, alright? And remember, you have to listen to what the team tells you, okay?
Wait. Goodbye.
Bye, Evie. Man. I just hope I get better soon. I'll just put my headband over here for tomorrow. Man. I cannot believe Bowser is alive. I thought I killed him. But he's still alive, which I forgot. Everyone else is doing good. Except for me. I hope things get better soon. Looking up, I see the sky. All the stars are shining at me. Looking up, I see my path that leads me to victory. All my friends will win this fight for what's right. With all my friends by my side, we will win this war till the Maybe I need a rest for a while. Huh. I never know star crystals can be so cool. Yo, Stoney. Yeah, what's up? What are you doing? Golden Freddy told me to watch over the crystals, and I'm watching them. What, the time crystals? Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Just watching them. Dude, what? You're wagging your tail. I'm a wolf for crying out loud! Oh. Okay, then. I'm just watching them. So, did Golden Freddy tell you to watch them? Yeah. Oh. What? I haven't said anything. Oh. Well, how's Sophia, dude? Dude, why would you even ask me that question? Gotcha good. Shut up. You're thinking about Sophia, aren't you? No, I'm not! Alright, fine, I am. Ah, I got him. Shut up! Ow! That thing even hurt. I'll get you next time. Whatever. Hey, Freddy, what are you doing? I'm trying to figure out this puzzle. Wait, that's Luigi's Mansion 3? Yeah, we got it. Dang, dude. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out this puzzle and I can't figure it out. Well, what is it? Well, I didn't mean to spoil the game for you or anything, but clearly you see Luigi, right? You see him, right? How do I make this water stop? And then if I switch to Luigi, then it's gonna make the water go on. How do I do that? I don't know. You're probably gonna ask frankly about that. I'm not the type of guy who knows puzzles good. Ew. Yeah, so I can sit back and watch you play. Okay. Just get it. I'm controlling Luigi. Let me just switch. There we go. Can I go here? Which way do I even go in this game? Ah! You right, Yoshi? Yeah, I'm fine, our dragon. Just worried about the star. Why? Because Wolf might take it again. We might lose this war. We're not gonna lose this war, bro. We're not. We got so many good guys on our side. We got Super Mario Plus Rose Adventures. We got, shoot. Let me think. Still thinking? Yeah. We got Khalil. We got all type of YouTubers around that's gonna help us. Even our fans too. So we're gonna win this war no matter what. I don't know about that art dragon. It could be a little rusty. Last year it wasn't that rusty, but I can tell this year's gonna be real rusty.
Why say that, dude?
Cause Bowser is back, and he's evil. Plus his skin has just came off. Does he even know how to break bones? Well, if you hit something really hard, then yeah. Yeah. I mean, yeah, but I'm not talking about that type of bones, like the bones in your body. I'm talking about bones of steel. Wait. His bones are made out of steel? Yeah. How? What I'd like to know is why. Yeah, I want to know why. I don't know. I just thought about that. Wait, you guys seen Foxy? Wait. Ah, you found me. Dude, get out of there. Ow. Ow, why'd you do that? Look, man, stop hiding. And why you were hiding in the first place? I was bored, I had nothing to do, so I figured that if I just hide, no one will see me. But you just found me anyway. Oh, so you're back to color? Yeah, Golden Freddy told me that the puzzle I just drank earlier, it wore off. So I'm okay. Oh, that's good. That's good to hear, man. That's good to hear. I cannot believe Golden trust you to watch over the crystals. Shut up, Raichu! Hello, everyone. I'm back. Oh, what up, Goldie? Hey, bro, what up? How much, Freddy? Wait, is that Luigi's Mansion 3? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's the actual full game. Look, let me show you. Look. See? The actual full game. Wow, dude. I thought it was a demo. Nah, it's not. Bro, it's not a demo. Oh, I thought, though. Yeah, why would you think about that? I don't know. Yeah. Goldie, where were you this whole time? Well, take a guess. You went back time and space? You went to your old home? The Pokemon universe? No, and more no. I went back to your dimension, mister. Really? Why? Well, I figured that since almost everything in your dimension is pretty safe, we should probably go there. Well, if my dimension is safe, then how come this dimension is danger? Well, I don't know. But I can send you back, each and every one of you guys, to your dimension. Well, except for Freddy and me and Foxy, we have to stay in Stoney's dimension. Well, I can go back home. True, but I kind of don't want to leave. Yeah, but that's only if you want. Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hi, BJ, where were you, dude?
I was at the Splatfest.
Again, dude?
What? I had to be there.
What, cause you can go Inkling Boy?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm glad you're here, Junior.
Yeah. Wait, what happened to Rain.cally?
Yeah, what did happen to her? Well, she's apparently healing right now. Wait, what happened? Apparently the Twisted Ones threw a twisted potion at her, and she was hypnotized. Ew. Yeah, I saw that happen. She hurt my feelings. Honestly, dude, I feel bad for her that she kind of hurt your feelings. I know. But good thing Tails knocked her out. Wait, he actually knocked her out? Yeah. That's messed up. How? Dude, the way it's messed up is that boys cannot hit girls. Oh no! So this means that Tails in danger? I don't know. Me neither. Dude, I feel bad for him. Yeah, me too. I mean, I kinda did punch her a little bit. You did? Then you're gonna die, dude. I don't wanna die. Well, good thing I didn't lay a single finger on her, so I'm good. You guys are cool. But BJ, where were you for the past 2 episodes?
2 episodes, Splatfest, and I'd stay in a couple spots, so that's why.
Oh, so that's why you weren't here.
Yeah, same to you! You never appeared in any of these episodes.
Oh yeah, true. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you guys know where Foxy is? I don't know. I'm gonna go check. Okay, you did that, Freddy. Goldie. There you are, Foxy. What the? Ah! Oh! Goldie, don't do that! Just kidding. What were you doing anyway? Just laying down. Laying down. Yup. Were you thinking about Cheek? Stop it! I mean, seriously, were you thinking about your girlfriend, Cheek? Why do you people keep bringing up my girlfriend? What? Okay, fine, yes I am. I was. Until you incidentally ruined it. Where's the golden egg? Oh, I hid it somewhere. You did? Yep, and it's under my control. Oh. Well, I guess I'll be talking to the rest. Alright, later! So, where was Foxy? He was laying down thinking about Sheik. Oh. Yep. Well, from the beginning, I did not know he had a crush on Sheik. Yeah, honestly, that kind of shocks me, too. Wait, isn't Foxy supposed to be with Mangle? Because that's what all FNAF fans ship? I don't know, that's Goldie, not me! Well, to answer your question right, true is a love story. Oh. Yeah. What up, kiddos? Hmm? Oh, it's you! What's up, kiddos? Oh! Sans! What are you doing here? Well, Junior, I decided to visit you guys, and I heard there's also gonna be another war.
Well, technically it's kind of our first war, Sans, but nah, who cares?
Yeah, I'm here to help. So me, Azrael, Papyrus, we're gonna help you guys with this war.
Oh, thanks, dude. That's really thoughtful of you.
Yeah, cause you're all my friends. Yeah, that is so true, Sans. Yeah. I bet everybody else in the clan will be happy to see you. And Papyrus and Azrael. Yeah. Especially Frisk, too. Frisk? Oh no, Benny's gonna go crazy. You said that again. Wait, what do you mean oh. Yeah, Benny has a crush on Frisk. Ew. I thought Frisk was genderless. It doesn't matter. Why you gotta be so rude? That was kind of clever, right, True? Thanks. Well, I mean, I'm pretty sure Rain.cally thinks that Frisk is a girl. Frisk is genderless, what are you talking about? First him, now you, Freddy? Well, I'm just telling the truth. Look, man, I just believe that Frisk is a girl. Well, I think Frisk is a boy. The heck is wrong with you? What? That's what I just think, okay? Can you just shut up and let me play Luigi's Mansion 3? Rude. Yes, what? Done. Now, let me go. Oh, wait, that's wrong button. Oh, that's wrong button too. Let me just. I don't think so. Honestly, I have a feeling that this game is a mixture between Luigi's Mansion Dark Moon, which is also the second game for 3DS, and Luigi's Mansion for the GameCube. Well, this seems most likely the second game, with the music and everything. But the ghosts are different. Well, some at least. Nope. I think I know what I'm doing now. Oh, these mind-thinking puzzles are so hard! Ah! Freddy, can you just stop, please? Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out this puzzle. Anyway. So, how's the kid? Oh, Rain.cally? Yeah, how is she? She's resting right now. Yeah, we kinda fought her, and yeah, we fought her, and we just beat her up like boom, 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 boom. And well, Tails did the most. I did like the least. Same thing with Master. Yeah, you two are gonna die. What for? Because boys can't hit girls. Oh! I'm an idiot. Oh, I can turn dark mine, and shit can't beat that. No, dude, but look, even if you Dark Mario, she's still gonna beat you. How? How? Look, she has ice powers, and you know fire beats ice. Well, yeah, I can beat her. Well, she also has fire powers as well. Oh no. Yeah, oh no is right. Oh no. I just take back everything I said. I'm definitely gonna go to the corner and just panic. And they said I'm the idiot one. But I'm not. What are you talking about, Freddy? You are the idiot one. What are you talking about? Dude, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Oh, dude, nice haircut. Oh, thanks. Man, even though my haircut's not that good, but it's still better. I like it. It's pretty good. Yep. You know, I just cannot wait to end my dad. What? You love him? No, because he hates me for what I love. Well, technically, isn't Goldie your dad? Don't look at me. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, Freddy. Whoa! I mean, Junior, if you think about it, Goldie is kind of your dad. How? He takes care of you? But I take care of myself. I'm 11. Or actually, 12. Oh. Yeah, my birthday just passed. Lucky. Yeah, I'm actually kind of excited for Christmas. Wait, why, Freddy? You know, so I can have fun and the whole clan can celebrate. Yeah. Well, we gotta wait for that, Freddy.
Yeah, we gotta wait. And
What's that? What game you playing?
I'm playing Luigi's Mansion 3. Is it a demo?
No.
Huh, it's official. Told you. You did. I actually want to play with you. I think I know how to solve puzzles. Okay, thanks, man. You want to do 2-player? Nah, we'll probably do single player. I'll help you while you play. Okay. Yep.
Well, I'm probably gonna see what the rest are up to. Alright, see you, Sans. And thanks for helping us. Anytime, kiddo. Stony, you're still there? Don't judge me! Whatever.
Meanwhile.
Alright, Evie. We're here.
Wait.
Well, good question. The reason why we're here is because Goldie is missing a time crystal.
Wait.
Yep, a time crystal.
Wait.
Which one we're going for? Well, apparently Twisted Foxy has... I'm assuming he has the shell time crystal.
Wait.
Yes, the seashell.
Wait.
Why can't go for the others? Well, Wolf has them. Well, Wolf is planning on getting them. But if we get it first, Wolf don't stand a chance.
Wait.
Yep, so... Come on! There's an air vent? I can get there. I can't reach it.
Wait.
Can you reach it, Evie? Maybe there's a way around it. I'm gonna check for high ground. Whoa. I don't see anything. That has to be... Oh boy. I gotta get Evie. Woohoo! Alright, Evie, we're here.
Wait.
Yep. Do you think you'll probably get it?
Wait.
Evie, are you alright?
Wait.
Oh. I guess, hold on. Oh, but it's a small space. I can't fit there. But wait, maybe you can, Evie.
Wait.
Evie, alright, listen well. I want you to go through this door and find the blue shell time crystal.
Wait.
Yes, the blue shell, alright? And if Twisted Foxy chases after you, I think try to find another way around, okay?
Wait.
Frankly's counting on you. I know she's resting right now, but she's counting on you.
Wait.
Alright, good luck, Evie. One brave soldier. Kill all the warriors. I'm pretty sure Evie should be here by now. I wonder what's taking her so long.
Wait.
Did you get it? Yes! Good girl, Evie. Good girl.
Wait.
Let's take this to Goldie. Come on. Honestly, you wanna know what shocks me the most? Is that Bowser is still alive and he got bones of steel.
Yep, we're all gonna die. There's no way we can beat him. There's no way. We're not gonna beat him at all.
Well,
I guess if you think about it, if anyone knows fairy types, you can possibly beat them. Really? Yes, fairy moves are super effective against steel moves. Are you playing this Pokemon? I just know that. Why you Bruh, this is not Pokemon, okay? You're in the wrong episode. I don't have to be capped. Shut up! Whatever. Yeah, but I think I got a plan. What was your plan? What's your plan, dude? While everybody else is fighting different enemies, maybe a few of us can sneak to the tree, and then I think grab one of the special power ornaments. That's what Goldie told me, and then we can use it against Bowser. But what if he gets away? That might be a problem. Then we gotta come up with a different plan. Well, we better, because Christmas is almost here. Dude, we just begin November. I don't care. Whatever. But still, I still believe that Bowser should be dead and forever dead. Yeah, he should be. Don't even. I wasn't gonna say that. I was gonna say he should. You know, like in some other games, in Super Mario Bros. 2, he died in the lava. Yeah. Dude, that was. Never mind. Whatever. Yeah. Is Master alright? Nah, I think he's probably sleeping right now. Yeah, Master! Wake up! Yeah, he's not waking up. Yeah, he's sleeping. Classic Master. Hey guys, what's up? Oh, hey Tails, what's up?
Hey, dude. Evie!
Oh, hey Evie.
Lee!
Guess what? We found another time crystal.
Dude, there's no way you found that.
We just did.
No!
Yes, we did.
Are you serious, dude? You two must be really good warriors.
Yep, real warriors sneaks out. Right,
Wait! Wait, Evie. Did Rain.cally give you that headband?
Lee!
Huh. No wonder you look kind of similar to her.
Lee!
Yeah. Now we have 3 time crystals.
But how many do we even need?
I think Goldie said around like 6 or 7.
Oh. So we only got like 3 or 4 more to go.
Yep. In the meantime, I'll just take this to Goldie.
Lee!
Hey Evie, what's up? Shouldn't you be hanging out with Rain.cally? Dude, don't make her sad. I'm sorry. I just had to ask her. Dude.
It's alright, Evie. Yeah, I like friends though.
Yeah, that is true.
Rain.cally. What is it, Tails?
Guess what?
What?
Me and Evie just found a time crystal.
Tails, you must be in a dream. No, I'm not. Check this out. Where'd you get that? Oh, Evie took it from Twisted Foxy. Is she alright?
Yeah, she just took it like it was nothing.
Plus I think Twisted Foxy was sleeping, so yeah. Oh, no wonder Evie was doing good. Yeah. You feeling a little alright? Just a little. I should be alright. Well, feel better. See you later. See ya, Tails. Hey, Rain.cally, mind if I leave this over here with you? Sure, I don't mind. Alright, I'll see you later. See ya. Maybe I should see... Oh, it's a blue one. Let's probably find the rest. You know what? I'm still gonna find it by myself. I'm gonna find the rest of the time crystals, even if it means getting killed. Ouch. Let's go.